to. My kids are gonna be so sad I didn't open it up with them. But
you can save that one.
No.
We can open.
No, I brought it to open it. I brought it to open it. Oh wow, we got the camera set up there and everything.
Yeah, dude, look at that. We need some full arts.
Oh my gosh.
You don't just show up to open cards and not bring your own.
Yeah. You always bring your own video.
Look at that, man.
Oh my
Big boys.
I swing. Swinging at Target, that had nothing.
Oh, well, here, let's wanna do these? Alright. Let's do some of these.
So what are we going for here?
This. We're going for this Charizard Reshiram.
Oh, easy. Yeah, I got
a
it.
secret
Right
rare.
here. Yeah, first one here. So after I open this first one, it's...
Oh, we got a whitey.
Oh,
let's go, man.
Let's see it.
You burning and turning?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Fire. No. Pink.
Oh.
Like, we got something good here.
Yeah, come on now.
Bam.
Let's go.
Lucario.
That's cool. I don't know a whole lot about this set, to be honest. Nice though, man. Nice.
Well, it always feels good.
Mike with the early heat.
I mean, a lucky day.
It's just the start.
Oh man. Buy a Supreme box cutter.
Zombie hates my Supreme box cutters.
What do you mean?
Look at this thing.
I respect it.
You need it. You need the nice little clean cut, clean seal on it.
Nice clean cut. So it's really funny. All of like the older ones have the pink fairy, whatever. All the new cards don't have pink, and so but every time, like my daughter knows they don't have pink, but she guesses pink every single time. Still, I'm just like, all right, pink. Let's see.
Let's open up another one of these, huh? Because I got a white card. Clayton's hooking us up with some camp Pokemon cards, man. We got the hookup.
Ooh. Oh, another white card. Here we go.
Here we go. Card GX, man. Hey, we got another one white cards. Let's go.
I mean...
And a reverse hollow Snorlax as well.
Well, this has got Charizard in it, so fire. Nope. That's kind of cool.
I do like the Golem, yeah. I like that.
That's a cool looking card.
That's a cool card. Good stuff, Mike.
I mean, just back-to-back wild ones, that's good.
Couple shiny GX buzz. Yeah, I got an Eric Fisher rookie card. For like $2.
Holding the bag.
He's holding the bag. I love it.
That's a good card right there, guys. That's $200, not $2.
No, definitely $2.
Oh man. Oh,
we open us a Vivid?
Yeah, do it. Go for it. Absolutely.
This card shop is in North Kansas City. I think it's called Northland. I just got a green. I'm not even gonna. We're just gonna burn a turn. I'm not even gonna do it.
Selfish. Electric.
Hollow and a reverse.
Like garbage.
Oh wait, I put it in mine.
Oh no. Well, you better not. You better not.
Did I just pull these two? I can't.
It's all good.
All right, back to the Unbroken Bonds. I got a green card.
Man.
Hey, if you check my Instagram story today, you know that I have my own card. My arm is on the back of Clyde's card.
Green card. Quagsire. Nothing. I love that you have this camera set up.
Dude, isn't it cool? We're trying to go through 2 whole boxes.
Yeah, where's that coffee cup? Where's that mug there?
So when someone like follows or subscribes, a little thing just drops down right into the beer mug.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Oh,
I'm taking the Zarg back.
Oh, absolutely. Green cup. Ugh. I wish they didn't have that. Then I'm just already feel disappointed. Right, and rip it. Nothing. I haven't looked at it and I know it's nothing. Bell sprout? I mean, that's
sad.
This is what we're looking for right here. Bell sprout. Cinemar's pretty cool, but
there, we'll make sure you guys can hear us. We'll turn the Blue Yeti up.
Eat. You been gaming?
Yeah, I played about 2 hours worth of Halo.
Dude, I have Halo.
Yeah, Halo.
I'm gonna get on Halo.
That's cool.
I haven't played more.
How's Q39?
Fantastic.
What'd you get?
So good. Started with the world's greatest wings. Went with the wedge salad and a half rack of ribs.
It's the wedge boy.
Yeah,
nice, man.
It's good
The
stuff.
ribs are good. Do you want these cards?
More garbage. What is that? Just throw it in the pile.
Yeah, okay.
I'll probably put it all away.
Yeah, I'll throw them in a shoebox somewhere. What I want.
Okay. Try that one. We've been playing pinball nonstop.
Yeah, I know.
My son is a pinball wizard, by the way.
He's a pinball wizard.
Fire. No.
We'll go fighting. Oh, no. The one time, I guess.
Poliwag and a Marowak. There's a Pikachu. How about a Togepi?
Togepi.
That's a cute one there.
Might be the cutest Pokemon.
Oh, man. Well, I think we're due. I think we're due for something big.
Due for at least a white card. I mean,
that's the problem. We started out too hot. You know?
Joe's or Q39?
Joe's.
I would say Joe's too.
Yeah. Q39's right below it, but it's Joe's. White cards.
I got a green boy.
Okay, there we go, guys.
Oh,
watch this. Rainbow Pikachu. Here we go.
Go
Electric.
on.
Ah!
Not tonight. Hey, Mike, I'm gonna click on the switch over there.
Yep. This one?
Yeah. Cool. Maybe you'll have better luck with the Zarg pack.
Alright, let's try it.
I'm over 2 on Zarg.
I'd like to know what the actual percentage of that card being in.
All I know is when I pulled my secret rare Charizard, it was a fire energy and it was in a Charizard pack.
Well, did it have a green card too?
No, but my god, I got a white finally. I pulled heat from green card packs though.
Right. Oh man, here we go.
I do like that art though. Just a little Pikachu's chilling in the back.
And Spirit Bomb. Spiritomb? Spiritomb?
Spiritomb.
Spiritomb. Oh my gosh. Come on. Here we go. Here we go.
I do like the shiny Snorlax. I do. Pulled a few of them.
Papakinos. I've never had Papakinos.
Papakinos. Is that zombie? Yeah.
What is that?
It's a good pizza place. And it's right like in Crossroads. I thought they changed the name. I got Flareon and Vaporeon for you.
Garbage. I mean, anything other than the Rainbow Pikachu, I'm disappointed. So
yeah, no, I know. That's a fact. Well, let's get one right here then.
Yep, here we go. I will say this is the slowest I've ripped packs though. Usually I'm probably finished at this point. We're ripping packs.
I know.
Did not mess around with it. Here we
You
go.
got the kids.
Here we go. Okay, here we go.
We got some
Pikachu, white card,
I got a
It's
white
gonna
card
be
too.
lightning.
Fire. Oh, we got a peek. I think it's just a V card. Pikachu.
Pikachu. All right, here we go. Electric. Ah!
Oh, I got metal too, though. Just a hollow. Oh, amazing rare Celebi. Let's go.
There we go.
Hey, Mike, tell him about the cards you sent in, man.
I sent him a zillion cards.
Mike sent in at least 40 to 5 to 50 cards.
It was
one of his amazing rares came back a 6.
a 6. I should have brought it just to show you how much of a joke that was, because it.
You should have.
The Rayquaza. A 6.
You got us. PSA.
Just look at that and tell me there's.
I already showed this on stream, honestly, too. Guys, look at that.
A 6? Like.
And we were sending in our cards when it was like $100 to send in your cards,
this
too.
is ridiculous. Yeah, there's like the full.
Yeah. Dude, that's cool, man. Because you did get a lot of 10s.
Stupid. What a waste of money.
Did you look up prices on that stuff?
I haven't, no.
I got a green card, I think.
I think I'm just going to throw them in a box.
Squirtle.
Forget about it.
Yeah.
And just stumble upon it in a few years and maybe they're worth something.
What packs are these?
Green.
Are these my packs?
This is your pack.
Okay.
Oh. Gengar?
I do like Gengar.
Gengar? Look at this. Look at this. How about this? I got a Haunter and a Ghastly and a Gengar all in one.
Ooh.
All in one
Nice.
pack there.
That's cool.
And I got a Grass Energy. It's awesome.
Alright.
What did I do the 6th? I opened it up, immediately put it in a sleeve and a heart protector, and then I sent it in. And they sent me back a 6. And I don't know.
Dude, that sucks too.
Alright. Pikachu. White card.
I got a white card too. Oh, I got a peek. Oh, we're pulling just the shit beat.
Lightning. Come on. No. Oh.
VMAX? Oh, nice. We just pulled the same card, but yours is better.
There we go.
Nice, dude. I never pulled this card in VMAX. I don't think.
You need to get those super tight.
I know.
Those are so nice.
You sent me the link, and I should have bought like 1 million, but then I was on like a boycott of cards. I was like, I'm not even buying cards.
Okay, here's what we're opening up next.
As soon as we hit 1,000 followers, man,
Alright.
we're gonna rip that open. We're at like 700 now.
Well, come on. Let's go.
Yeah, we're putting in groundwork.
I'll probably give you maybe 3 followers.
Yeah, alright. You got a green boy? So did I. Come on, I have a Zard pack.
Garbage. Yep, that's right.
Garbage energy.
Electromagnetic radar in the Doug trio. Trio. Oh my gosh.
Back to the vivid.
There we go. Alright, let's do it.
White cards only.
Yeah, you guys, we're gonna need a lot more cards for training camp.
Clayton's hooking us up.
Come on, Clayton. Alright.
I got a white card. Did you?
No. Got a Beedrill and a Bay.
Man, I am king of the most common V cards. Dude.
Oh my god.
Pikachu.
Right. Hey, we're due though.
Germanchan.
We're due for some good ones.
We are. Yeah,
I mean, yours is really due.
I know, man.
Yours is really due.
Our first 2 packs were 2 GX cards, though. But yeah, no, we're good. We need a Charizard bad. Son of a god.
Grass. No. Pink.
Ooh, grass.
Very. Torcat. Sand slash.
Butterfree.
Not giving up at all. Jeez. No, we're due. We are so due right now.
Unbroken bonds is not
something
giving
big.
up.
There's gonna be something big.
Back to the vivid.
Here we go. Here we go. There we go. I'm talking about white card.
Man. Oh, Mike.
God, this one's heavy. It's a heavy
It's
one.
so heavy.
Let's see if we can get this on here. Garbage.
That's a lot of garbage.
Oh man, guys. So
We're gonna run it back. We're gonna
switch seats.
Yeah, we need some. No, we need some. Come on. And you can deal out the packs too. Because I'm grabbing the garbage bag.
You guys, we gotta do something. We gotta change this up a little bit. Oh my gosh. Right here, there's gonna be a Pikachu. Rainbow Pikachu.
Just rip a few. Just rip a few. This is your stream now.
Pick one.
Left.
He's got the Rainbow Pikachu.
Oh.
He's got it. Watch this. Come on, Pikachu. White card.
Ooh, it is white too.
Guys.
Alright, I dropped the energy, but it was fighting.
Get after it.
Got a peek. Ooh, we got a full art though.
I've never seen that one.
That's nice.
Never seen that one. Lighting. Okay, got a peek. Got a
That's a
peek.
nice Ampharos, man.
Great.
Talonflame.
Great. Awesome.
I pulled a good card though. That's nice. Feels good.
Go with this side. Those two right here. There we go. Pick one. Alright, here we go.
Come on, Machamp.
White card.
White. You got it.
Fire. No.
Fire. That's metal.
Lick a tongue and a crowbat. What am I doing?
Ooh, we got a peek. We got a GX. Ooh, full art. Muck and muck. Let's
Wow.
go.
Wow. Okay.
Let's go.
Here we go, guys. Can we just get something like just awesome? You know? For the people. I mean, it's not even for us. It's for the people.
It is for the people. Like, I feel bad when I don't bullshit. For the people.
White card.
I got green. So we're going to go green. Lead.
Fire.
Let's go. Jolteon. Me with the evolutions, man. Oh, do you keep these?
I don't know. I have a zillion of those.
Do you actually have you entered them in?
I've entered some of them in. Guys,
remember
I have
you
a
did that for
box of like, I don't know if these are worth anything, but I have like,
You could sell them like by like the hundreds and stuff.
I mean,
No, for sure. Like you sell like 100 of them
so,
for like $10.
so you know the tins? You know the tins? I have 2 full tins where I cannot stuff one more in there. They are so full.
That's like, look at this.
$6.
So, you know, like the last card you get, like these are all non-hollow rares. Like the
Really?
the non-hollow star cards, and then I have a whole one of like the reverse hollow and the hollow star. You know how big this
Oh my
thing is,
God.
just chock full of them.
Okay. If we don't get a Charizard here, we're gonna have to switch seats or something.
Yeah, let's get a Charizard.
That one back. Let's just get a Charizard here.
Come on.
I got the Charizard.
You got that Zard pack.
Here we go. Ah!
I got a green.
What is this? You gotta be kidding me.
We don't even open greens on the stream anymore. We don't even need them. I do like these Pokemon though.
Railu and a Butterfree. Alright, let's switch seats.
Alright, we're switching.
Yeah, do something.
Tag me in.
Have you ever seen Celtic Pride?
I don't think so.
It's a comedy, but they're baseball or basketball super fans, and they like whenever the game's not going their way, they don't, like not only does these two people switch seats, like they have the entire stadium, everyone switches seats. Just to try to change us. So I'm just do the backwards hat, see if that gets us going.
There you go. I like that.
Need to jump start it, you know.
Didn't work for me.
No, let me put it forward again.
2 greens, put it forward again.
It did not work at all.
It's a cool art though. These were vivid too. Yeah.
Just a whole lot of.
What do you do with like your shit cards?
I usually give them to my kids' friends.
Yeah.
Just like we had one of their friends that were big Pokemon fans. I gave them like 7 boxes full of cards, and like
yeah,
they love them. Love every second of it.
That's good. I'll do that with like my shitty sports cards. Oh yeah, let's go. I got a green.
Fire!
Let's go. Come on, Mike. Tap me in.
Okay. All right. Let me get this really close here, guys, because this is a good one. There's something good here. We got something good here.
Let's go.
What could it possibly be?
Ooh, full art trainer.
Welder. That's one of the best cards. Attach up to 2 fire energy cards from your hand to one of your Pokemon. If you do, draw 3 cards. Which is like the best card ever for fire deck.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Nice,
That's
man.
a good one right there, guys.
Good stuff.
I don't know if it's worth anything, but that's a great card.
Oh, wow. It's kind of red, too.
That's a sweet card. One of the cooler cards I've pulled in a while.
Mike actually plays the game with his family, with his kids.
Always competing.
All right. Let's try to turn the rest of these, huh? The rest of the Unbroken Bonds.
Welder.
We're finishing this Unbroken Bonds box straight right now.
Welder, this person knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Oh, RJ.
They know what I'm talking about.
RJ,
Where's
yeah. See, Zombie doesn't know what the hell he's talking about, but RJ does. RJ stayed 2 hours just to watch the Pokemon stream.
Finally, let's go. See, these guys know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I mean,
I got a green. Gonna keep burning and turning these Unbroken Bonds.
Let's do it.
You got Zard Pack.
Alright, here we go. I mean, Welder. It's a good one.
Yikes, man! I can't get a white
Get
card.
a Zard. That's Greens explode. Sharpedo. You know what? That's a pretty cool card.
Oh, that's a cool card. That's some cool art.
Yeah. Other than it being a Sharpedo. Did you watch Shark Week at all?
Usually.
I didn't watch it at all.
I didn't. I haven't seen it in like a few years, honestly. All right, my turn for the Zard Pack.
Do it.
We're popping off. Let's go. Fire. Come on.
Wow.
All right, we got Secret Rare.
That's pretty cool.
That's cool.
That's a pretty cool. I mean, it's not Charizard, but it's cool.
It ain't a Charizard, but that's cool.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if that's better than a Togekiss.
What is it?
Pink one, nothing. Garbage.
Whole lot of garbage.
Garbage. No Zard, but something.
Yeah, that was something.
It's pretty cool. But it's not bad at all.
All right, we got 6 packs left, including these ones. Yeah, RJ, that card is kind of cool though.
Finish off Sharky, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not gonna waste guessing fire on this.
Yeah,
Grass.
Yeah, we're gonna go leave. Raichu.
Wow. Triple acceleration energy.
The Sun Tunfisk.
Unbroken? When did Unbroken Bonds come out?
2019, I believe. Alright. 4 packs left.
GX.
I got a white card. Fighting. Oh, that's cool though.
Slowbro. With a Crocorock.
I have not pulled that card. Crocorock.
Crocorock.
We don't need to keep those, Mike.
Hmm?
We don't keep the normal reverse hollows.
Yeah, I mean, that's just...
Guys, last pack mojo. Let's go. We're cashing out after this.
No, you got the Charizard. It's your last one.
Come on.
Charizard. Come on.
19 was a very good year.
Come on.
Oh, sad. Sad. Trio, man. The ultimate troll of a card.
White card. 5. Ooh,
oh, you got a peek. Hey, we got a peek
there. Got a little peek.
We got a peek. Got a peek. Well, Haunch Crow. I have that card. I have it in a full art.
Kind of a cool card, though.
That is a cool card. All right, guys.
Well,
we're opening up more Unbroken Bonds.
More?
No, like we still have like one more box to open, I think, of those. There, you can
no.
You got captain seat for the last Vivid Voltages.
Oh my gosh. The command center, the battle station.
Yeah, it's a little warm. I've been streaming for 3 hours.
This seat is warm, guys. I don't know if I like it or not.
Hey Henry, you want to rip a pack?
So a little shuffle-roo here. Whoops. Whoopsie.
Henry wants to rip a pack. Which one do you want, boy?
Oh.
Oh, hey, he says this one's the winner.
Okay, that's his.
The Pika pack.
Let's see it.
Hey, this is yours, man.
Harold?
This is yours, boy.
Move the camera. Move the camera over there.
No. We don't have to.
Oh,
it's a green card anyway. Henry, son of a gun.
Henry.
He's like, oh no.
Another green. I mean,
a lot of oops. Is this a good pile?
No, I don't know. Just I'm throwing them wherever now at this point. Like I said, I mean it's not a rainbow Pikachu. Then it's like, come on, green ones, give me something. Come on.
Thanks for defending me, RJ. He's like, I'm a big dude. It should be a warm chair. I run hot.
Oh my gosh! I mean, there's got to be one good card in here, right?
Do you want to be?
Sure, just throw it in there. Just throw it in there.
Throw it in the bag.
So what are we playing after this? Rocket League? I've never played before.
Never played RL? We can play some Mario Golf in over here.
Alright, Mario Golf. Okay,
White card. Let's
lightning.
go.
Oh, garbage. Nothing. Zapdos. Come on.
Opal. Full art trainer. I like
That's
four
a
of
cool one.
those. I've opened up so much Vivid Voltage, dude.
I know.
It's ridiculous.
I know. Just
my very first Pokemon stream was like opening up 100 packs of Vivid Voltage.
did you get anything good?
I didn't even know. At the time. I got a white.
Yeah, you can do it. I got a green nothing. Lucario. That's what the stream's doing. Putting everyone to bed. Pulling Snorlaxes. You got it, kid. I want a big fat Pikachu, guys.
I want to see see that chonky boy.
Lightning.
Ooh.
Come on. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go.
What do we got here?
Here we go. It all takes just one.
The next two are our last two. Pika's making us wait. Oh, wait, we're keeping these.
Grass. Thumbs up the night.
We're gonna go lightning.
Thumbs up the night. All right, let's do it.
Oh, there's a peak. It's a secret.
Give me something good.
Ooh, let's go.
That's what I'm talking about. You kidding me?
Cape of toughness.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why we do this.
That's why we rip packs for the gold boys.
All right. Whoa. Whoa. Almost dropped them. They're so heavy. Pick one. Jeez.
Last pack's right here. Last packs of the stream.
Last pack magic. Green card.
Green card too. Son of a good.
Green. You guys know where I get any Pokemon cards?
Clayton's looking us up.
Clayton? We need some more Pokemon cards. We're out.
Clayton, we're out.
No. Well, guys.
Yeah, I want to say goodbye. We're going to sign off.
This was a big old disappointment. Sorry. Usually it never happens. We pull
nothing but fire.
Yeah.
These are from the Unbroken. You pulled some good ones though.
I think you pulled them all.
Yeah, I pulled some good. I mean, I'm saying your Vivid Voltage was good.
Vivid. No, I'm just
rejected.
I'm not really as organized as you were. You were organized there. I mean, Talon Flame.
I
didn't even put a Talon Flame in a sleeve. I mean, just,
dude, I have a zillion Talon
Flames. First time
Flames.
I got a Talon Flame. Super excited.
So happy. See, you got hits though. You know.
And a Ford Beetle.
I mean, you got a gold card in there
and
somewhere.
The Cape of Toughness.
Like, look at Mike's hitters, man.
Dude, look at that. We put up some good numbers.
Yeah, that was good.
So you think we're down like $400 though?
I'm down like $7,000. I spent like over $2,000 on a case of these Unbroken bonds.
Oh my gosh!
You haven't got a thing.
So Clayton?
Yeah, Clayton's still here, man. He's looking us up.
Clayton, what do you got, man?
These are who I got most of like my sports cards and stuff from.
How far is that Clayton from here?
The shop is like 15 minutes north. It's just in North Kansas City.
All right, I'll be there tomorrow.
See you on the way. We should stop by there, honestly.
I'm gonna be there tomorrow.
On the way.
I'm going.
Yeah.
Going.
All right, guys. Hey, we're gonna sign off. All right. Thanks for blessing the stream. Pulling absolute fire with these hands of heat.
Cold.
Awesome. RJ, you're a real one. Thank you. All right, you guys have a great rest of your night, man. You'll see me in a week. We're off to training camp, shipping off tomorrow.
Yeah. Be a fun one.
It'll be great. All right. See y'all, guys. Thank you. August 1st. Thanks, Corso. See y'all.